Hi guys, my name is Hannah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I talk about a lot of things on my channel. Today I have learned this hack from TikTok, so I would like to share it with you guys. How to clean your air fry. So I just put a dish soap in there and fill it up like halfway. So make sure just to get it all in there, and all you just gotta do is just put it there in the fryer. And I believe I put it 370 for, it was saying 365, 370, but I just put it 370. I don't think there is no harm to it, so I just put it 370. And it can put it depending how your grill your fry dirty it is, so you can put it from between 2 4 minutes. Mine was not that, but I just put it 4 minutes. And when I was telling you, this is the best hack I have learned. Cleaning it is perfect, so it cleans it very well. I didn't even scrub anything, I just washed it. And uh, that's pretty much it. Is try it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.